that is from Italy for sure. We've got a couple of postcards. Handsome Sailor. I have no idea who that man is. Ciao beautiful people and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful weekend and ready for another fabulous crafting week. It's actually absolutely boiling in Sheffield today. We got this heat wave, which I'm not complaining in the slightest. It's just very hot. So I got all my windows open, been to the gym this morning, have a really nice snack with got this like really nice flatbread, brown of course, with some cereals, and then I just put a tiny bit of peanut butter, because apparently I can eat peanut butter as long as I don't eat a full jar. As long as I'm greedy, I'm not greedy like I normally am, I can eat it. So it's quite a nice snack. So I just had that, lots of water, and we're ready to go. So today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to make these little wallets. You can put a ribbon if you want, or you can tack into your journal on the page. You can glue this down on a page so it opens up like that. You can do anything that you like. The prototype, I'm sharing this with you in just a minute, but the starting point was this one here. So this model here, this wallet, is based on my postcard, which I'll share the kit in just a minute with you guys. So it's built around the size of this. As you can see in just a second, the measurement will be in centimeters, because unfortunately how I work it, because with inches will be a very silly measurements. Sorry, it just get on my nerves. Okay, but you'll be fine, because I will put on the template, I will put inches and centimeters and inches. Now, as you can see, I'm not done anything on a closure, but you can put a ribbon if you want, or you can make this longer and do like sort of like fold over. But as you can see, I mean, I'm shaking them, the postcard are not going anywhere, okay, because it's snuggled perfectly. Okay, so that is a little wallet. You can decorate the inside, but I'll share and tell you everything in just a moment. Okay, keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay, so today we are using the priceless postcards, which is at page 4 of the catalogue. So there it is. This kit includes 7 pages of original ephemera from all around the world. So yes, so this kit is part of the Around the World collection that you can find on my website. Again guys, I doubt it, because a lot of you have downloaded it. But if you don't have already, you can download my catalogue for free on my website, just on the bottom, www.antoniomakes.com. It's just literally on the bottom on the home page. So 7 pages we said, the code is PPO001 and it's £1.95. So very, very affordable. So when I was doing this kit, I wanted some postcards. So I have found them. They are all from different countries. And they measure, I'll tell you in inches first, so just shy of 4 by 2.5, which is in metric is 10 centimeters by 6. Okay, so they're very good size. And when I found them, I scanned them front and back. So that's the front, that's the back, that's the front, and that is the back, that is the front, and that is the back, and it's the same for all of them. Okay, so that was a plain one. That was from Monte Carlo. That is from Britain somewhere. You have a couple of it from Italy, I guess, if I remember correctly. So that's that is that is that. Look how nice that is with all the mountains. It. I love that. That's proper vintage. Okay, that's the one. Cleopatra's needle. How amazing is that? And then this is just an ephemera. That is from Italy for sure. We've got a couple of postcards. Handsome Sailor. I have no idea who that man is, and a couple of more pictures. Okay, so that is the kit, and it's called Priceless Postcards. Okay, let me show you the base of it. So that is my prototype, and I was messing about the score lines to make sure they're all right. So yeah, so that is what I did first to make sure that all the diagonal lines worked fine. Right, okay, follow me here. I'm going to put this on my Facebook group on a PDF so you guys can download it straight away. Okay, so for this project you need, I have used, this is from Tim Hall's, what's it called, bear with. No, I don't have the front of it. So that's this 8x8. Okay, in fact, what am I going to try to do, see if I can move you slightly so you can see it better. Yeah, so the starting point is a cardstock that is 8x8. Okay, now don't hate me, but I work in centimeters. Okay, so this project is in centimeters, but what am I going to do on the PDF that I'm going to share on my Facebook group? If you're not on Facebook, don't worry, just send me an email that you find down below. Just put I don't know, just send me an email says template, and I'll send you this. Okay, so you need a rectangular piece that measure 15. Okay, 15 by centimeters by 13. Okay, so it's almost a square, but it's not a square. Okay, so as you can see, imagine a rectangle. In fact, right, got another idea to make it even easier. If I find, okay, so let's do this so you can see it better. Okay, so I put the conversion in inches on my email, on the email on my Facebook group. Okay, so you need a rectangular piece that is 15 centimeters by 13 centimeters. Okay, so what you do, you score it at 5 and 5 this side. So we got 10 centimeters, no sorry, it's 20, what I'm talking about, 20. So it's 20 centimeters by 13. Makes sense now, because it didn't look like a square, did it? This is why I make a mistake, so you don't have to. So 20 centimeters by 13. So you scored at 5 and 15. So you got 5, 10 and 5. Okay, follow me. And then you fold it. It's basically, you score it in a half at 6.5 centimeters. Okay, so this line here is this one. Okay, so then we're going to score from this corner here to this corner here. Okay, so that is a cut, so you chop that off, and we do exactly the same on this side. So do a diagonal line from this corner to this corner. Okay, and then you chop this off. Okay, are you still with me? You having a sip of your gin tonic? Yeah, have a sip and come back. Okay, do you have a sip? Brilliant. So that's the rectangular. Okay, so that's what so these triangles here are those ones there. Okay, now what we need to do, that is it. Okay, so from this corner here, you need to leave 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so from this corner to this line, you measure 3.5 centimeters. Okay, and you just mark it. And then from this side there, we do exactly the same. So from this corner here to this line, you find 3.5 centimeters. Okay, so from that to that. So once you mark it, we're going to mark a diagonal line, which are those two ones. Okay, so that's my 3.5 centimeters, and then I fold it, score it, 3.5 centimeters, score it. Okay, From the bottom, so from this rectangle here, you only need to find 1.5 centimeters. Okay, and mark it. We do exactly the same on this side, 1.5 centimeters. I know it looks complicated, but it's actually really easy. Once you might have to re-watch it once again, but so 1.5, 1.5, and then we're going to score a diagonal line that from this 1.5 goes to its corner there. Okay, so it actually goes on the other direction, which are those two here. Okay, I could have picked a lighter cardstock, but never mind. Okay, so just to recap, you got two sections. Okay, so you fold it in a half, and then on the 5 centimeters and 5 centimeters. Okay, then from here is 3.5, and then you get this score. And then what you do, you just simply pinch it with your finger. I got glue everywhere, so I apologize. Okay, so literally fold it, and we do the same on this side here. So pinch that and fold it. Okay, so now what you do with your thumb, you fold it inwards, because that's where they're going to go. Okay, so this fold is going inwards. Okay, just like that. So you get this shape. Okay, from the bottom, when that 1.5 centimeters, this diagonal line, we're going to fold it inwards. Okay, and we do exactly the same on this side. So you pinch it. Okay, and then what you do, you fold it inwards again, and then the 1.5 centimeters, which it will be here. Okay, so that's when you're going to glue, and then, can you see? Yeah. Okay, so fold it like that. Pull your thumb on the 1.5 centimeters, and then with the other thumb, you just fold it like that. Okay. And that's where you get the shape. So it's a wallet. Okay. So on here, what I've done with the original one, I glued them down. Okay, so I'll show you. So open it, apply that again, and what you do, you just put with your brush or your glue, just put some glue just on the bottom there. That's what I did on that side. Okay, so you see, I just put my glue and then fold them back up just like that, and then get rid of the excess glue. So your wallet look like this. And then you see, because how we fold it, it's automatically going up. So this edge here, you fold it down, and then you do the same on this side. So as you fold this down, this one here goes in, and then this one goes in as well. Okay, so it ends up looking like that, and then you just fold it. Okay, I'm hoping it's clear, but honestly guys, it looks complicated, but it's not. It really isn't. If I can do it, you guys can do it. Okay, so this size is basically built to store that. Okay, so my postcard. Now if you wanted to, oops, look, it's spilling off already. Just put some more glue. What you can do, if you really want to, before you glue this down, you can decorate this side here. So the inside, you can even put, if you wanted to, another postcard, glue it, and then you glue the edges up, down. Okay. Right guys, that is it. I know it looks complicated, but I swear it's not. It's actually very easy. So you might want to re-watch it again, and it's easy if you see these if you see the template in front of you. So pop over to my Facebook group. It will be there. If you're not on Facebook, send me an email, say template, and I'll send you this template. Okay, so you guys are all right. Guys, if you like this tutorial, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you wish to purchase the postcard kit, I will leave all the links down below, take you straight to my website. You can purchase these beautiful vintage postcards for all around the world. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you tomorrow. And until next time, stay safe and well.